EFTR stock has lost 21.79% in this session of the 6th of June 2022. We haven't found any negative news concerning this drop, but what we know is that there's some news out there, and also obviously, as you can imagine, a 52-week low price reached a new 52-week low of $1.38. This is beneath the previous low of $1.63 by 15.34%. And it is 96.59% below the 52-week high of $40.42. And there is some positive news, I think. It says eFFECTOR says phase 1 of 2 trial shows early signs of clinical activity, tolerability of Zotatifin in patients with solid tumors. Okay, there must be some news why the stock has dropped. We can see some positive news out here. Said the company said on Sunday, the 5th of June, that its phase 1 of 2 clinical trial showed that Zotatifin demonstrated initial signs of clinical activity and was generally well tolerated in patients with solid tumor. Results of the trial showed that treatment resulted in suppression of multiple oncogenic drivers, with 2 breast cancer patients experiencing partial responses, according to a statement. The company expects the top line data from current expansion cohorts by year-end 2022, as well as the overall response rate data from a breast cancer cohort H1 first half of 2023. So let's see what's going on. Again, losses at 21.73. That's the news out there. You already know that. It's very small amount of shares have crossed the tape. Is it optionable? Okay, it's optionable as well. We don't exactly know why it has collapsed by this amount. There must be something out there, but going by all of these things, we can see whether we can find a rebound target, a possible rebound target. There's no guarantee that is going to be the case. There isn't any guarantee at all. And we take this high of 1.72 and this low of 1.43, I think. Yeah, 1.43, and we have a difference of 0.29 multiplied by 2.618. You can always multiply by 1.618. You can multiply by 1. You can multiply by 3.618. Any Fibonacci extension level you wish to use, but we're just using 2.618. We have 0.75. You add that to 1.4, which is the current price. We have 2.15. So let's see on this static chart where that 2.15 is. 2.15 is just slightly. It's just around here, slightly above its 10 and 20-day moving averages. Yeah, it's possible. Of late, it has done something like that. As a matter of fact, from the middle of June, it was pretty much consolidating and tried to extend. As a matter of fact, it did actually close slightly above its 10 and 20-day moving averages. It is from there that it has started to decline, to retrace further. There's every chance this stock might continue to retrace further. We can see that having moved sideways, the downward trend has continued. The lows are getting lower, the highs are also getting lower as well. So let's see what the readout here is saying. It is saying that EFTR appears to be rallying. Okay, maybe not today, maybe in the previous session it may have been rallying, but not what we're seeing right now. Okay, let's ignore that. It's strongly bearish. The momentum is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling EFTR shares and driving the price lower. The volume is on track to be heavier than usual, with 129,000 shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buy interest as it concerns EFTR stocks. So Rebound target is 2.15. There's no guarantee it's going to get there. So see what you make of all of these things, and thank you very much for watching this video.